My name's Dave Mejia. I'm a third-generation bricklayer, currently the president of the Masonry Contractors Association of San Diego. I've been an instructor for the Masonry Industry Training Association. I'm the owner of Dave Mejia Masonry. We do brick, block, and stone. And we're in Coronado. We're right across the street from the beach. This house was built in 1912, 1913. This house was slowly deteriorating and the brick was falling apart. The whole west-facing side of this house had to be torn down and rebuilt, basically because of the weather and the saltwater air and you know, being so old. We used over 20,000 brick on this project, including the front face of the perimeter wall, which is probably I think it was 300 feet long, 5 feet tall, and the west-facing side of the house. There was a few challenges. There was a section of the house where the carport is. The brick was deteriorating around it, and there had been a lot of watering of the grass, and so the water got in and seeped through the brick into the wood framing. And so the brick was the only thing holding up this roof structure, and the brick was falling apart too, so I brought it to the attention of Flag, and they said, okay, well this, you know, we want to save this, so it's gonna have to be rebuilt. So I came up with a design to rebuild the structure out of block and veneer the block with the old brick, and then do arches out of wood where they were going to connect to my masonry, and the framers were going to make an arch out of that, and so I veneered that with some thin brick to match the old, and that's how we corrected and fixed that whole structure there. This house being sold is part of the historical society here. There's rules that you have to follow when you're rebuilding something historical. You have to reuse the brick. One of the criteria, you have to make it to the exact dimensions of the old one, and you have to make it the same. Details like the roll-locks under the windows and the soldier over the window and the vent designs that are on there, those all have to be back to original. Just want to say thank you to Tom and Mike and everybody at RCP who have just treated me so well over the years. I've been going to RCP since I was in my teens, right? They treat you like family. They deliver anywhere. Everything they sell is high quality. Thank you guys.